Okay, so I've got I don't know what you call this, like a massive fork that you use for skewing a turkey when you cut it, and I've got, well, it's basically a turkey knife, so watch what I do. Okay, I get the crab, and I'm going to cut it in half. And this is going to kill it. I mean, it's dead already, right? And then I will peel the body off of the shell, like that. Okay, very quick, very efficient. Now I'm going to peel all this stuff here off. This is, I don't know what the lungs or stuff, you don't eat this. Anyway, that goes off. And clean that. And you see a little bit of guts in there. I'll just kind of shake it off in the sink. Comes off real easy. And the other side here, this one's got really white lungs. Some of them are quite black. See, there's a little bit of yellow stuff there. I'm just gonna shake it off. Okay, that's done. That's crab number one finished, so I'm just gonna make a pile of them. Okay, number two. Okay, this guy, a little bit bigger. I don't need that, I just cut him, right? Very predictable, very quick. Okay, same thing. I'll just pull the shell off. Again, pull that shell off. Oh yeah, nice and easy. And then, yeah, clean them out. Easy. There we go. Again, clean that off. And I just throw the debris right inside of the shell that I ripped. I put that upside down and I put this in the shell. That just makes it easy to clean up later. And another one done. I got 6 more to do, and I'll come back in a second.